Hello you guys, this is a 2008 Honda Odyssey alternator replacement. Unfortunately, I was not able to help out this customer. I tried to release the tension using on the serpentine belt, and I realized that the tensioner would not move, and that he would definitely need to send it to the shop to be replaced. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's some good sleeping music right there.
I was sleeping earlier. I had to really contemplate life, okay? When I got up here, because there was nobody here. It was just, okay?